guys, welcome back. Again, I am Engineer Beno. Okay, shout out nga pala muna kay Ralph, ang gumawa ng video introduction ko. Kay Aina, mag-iisi yan. Sa aking mentor, si Kuya Denver ng Smart Edge. Sina Francis, Raven, si Angge, si Marts, na mga kaibigan ko from Mapua University. Okay, so let us begin the new topic for analytic geometry, and it is planes in coordinate system. In Cartesian coordinate system, pwede ka doon makabuo ng iba't ibang shapes of different sides, different number of sides. So, kung titignan nyo itong example, I have your point A with coordinates x1, y1, point B with coordinates x2, y2, and so on, until makarating ako sa point E with coordinates x and y, n. Okay? Kapag pinapakuha sa atin yung area na yan, we will be using the general formula that is area is equal to 1/2 of the determinant of this matrix. Okay? Ano muna yung dapat yung i-note dito? Note that the points should be taken in counterclockwise manner. Kung nakita nyo, point A, B, C, D, E. Hindi ko ginawang A, E, D, E, C kasi baka po mag-negative. And kapag may binibigay na ganitong problem, it would be better if i-plot mo yung point sa Cartesian plane. Okay? Ano po ba yung laman ng matrix na to? So, x1, y1, x2, y2, hanggang makarating ka sa last point, xn, yn, and then copy mo lang tong x1, y1 at i-paste mo lang sa pinakadulo. So, di ba? Ito lang naman yan, pagkuha ng determinant. Tapos, pataas naman. So, ganun lang po. Okay. So, yan ay general formula for n number of sides. For example, 4, 5, and so on. Kasi kapag 3 sides, let's say triangle yun, tama ba? Kasi 3 sides. May iba po tayong formula. So, pwede tayo makabuo ng isang 3x3 matrix. I have here point 1, point 2, and point 3. And as you can see also, I have taken the points in a counterclockwise manner. Point 1, point 2, point 3. Or pwedeng point 3, point 1, point 2. Basta, counterclockwise mo dapat i-take or i-list. Okay? So, dito sa ating first column, ito yung x coordinates, x1, x2, x3. And then sa second column, yun naman yung mga y coordinates. And ano yung laman ng third column? All 1 lang po yun. And pwede na natin gamitin yung calculator natin dito para makuha yung determinant nito and then multiply by 1/2. Okay? Remember, you should be taking the points in a counterclockwise manner. So please copy and we will solve problems after you copy. Okay, so let us start with the first problem. In Cartesian coordinates, the vertices of a square are 1, 1, 0, 8, 4, 5, and negative 3, 4. What is the area? In Cartesian coordinates, the vertices of a square are 1, 1, 0, 8, 4, 5, and negative 3, 4. What is the area? So, i-plot muna po natin yung mga points. Meron daw tayo sa 1, 1. And then meron daw tayo sa 0, 8. Let's say this is point A, then point B. Then meron din tayo sa 4, 5. And meron din tayo sa negative 3, 4. And then kapag kinunay ko yung points na yan, makakabuo ako ng isang square. Okay, so pag ipapakuha lang sa atin yung area, diba, general formula is equal to 1/2 x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And then dahil 4 sides, edi x4, y4, and then copy mo yung first column, x1, y1. Okay? So, kailangan mong piliin kung saan ka mag-start. Kahit saan ka mag-start, again, kahit saan po, basta, dapat sunod-sunod yung pagkakakuha mo at dapat counterclockwise. Ako, dito na lang ako magsisimula sa 0, 8. So, 1 half, 0, 8, counterclockwise. Negative 3, 4, 1, 1, 4, 5, and then anong pinakadulo? Yung first column lang din, which is a 0, 8. So that is equal to 1 half, 0 times 4, that is 0. Negative 3 times 1, that is negative 3. 1 times 5, that is plus positive 5. 4 times 8, that is 32. And then, 8 times negative 3, that is negative 24. 4 times 1, that is positive 4. 1 times 4, that is also positive 4. 5 times 0, that is 0. So, kapag ika-calculate lang po natin yan, diretso na natin, that is equal to 25 square units. Okay, so yun na po yung area ng ating, ng ating square. Kung hindi ka pa kontento dito, pwede mong kuhain yung length ng isang side and then gamitin mo yung s squared. Diba, dalawang points, distance between 2 points lang. Okay? Next problem. Given 3 vertices of triangle whose coordinates are A, 1, 1, B, 3, negative 3, and 5, negative 3, find the area of the triangle. Given the vertices of the triangle whose coordinates are A, 1, 1, B, 3, negative 3, and 5, negative 3, find the area of the triangle. So, binigyan tayo ng coordinates 1, 1, and then 3, negative 3, and last vertex is 5, negative 3. So, i-plot po natin 1, 1, so this is point A, 3, negative 3. So, i-approximate ko na lang. Ang mahalaga kasi makita mo lang yung position nila. And then 5, positive 3. So, sabihin natin ito yon. 5, negative 3 pala yon. Sorry. 5, negative 3. 5, negative 3. Sabihin natin ito yon. 5, negative 3. So, kapag kinonect ko yung points, di ba meron na po akong triangle? And yung sa formula ng triangle na derive na, yung first column ay mga x coordinates lang. So, x1, x2, x3. The second column ay mga y coordinates lang. y1, y2, y3. At sa last column ay lahat ay 1 laang. Okay? Again, counterclockwise manner yung pagkuha mo ng point. So that is 1 half times the determinant of, dito na lang ako magsimula sa A. 1, 1, 1, x1, y1, tapos 1. And then point B, 3, negative 3, 1. And then 5, negative 3. Okay? Paano po ilagay ito sa calculator? Ang gagamitin lang po natin is mode, matrix. Mode 6 po yun. Pag hindi pa po marunong. And then, mat A, ibig sabihin nun matrix A. Susulat ko na lang dito. Mat A, tapos pipindutin mo yung 1 kasi yun yung mat A. Tama? And then, yung susunod, tatanungin ka kung anong dimensions. 3 by 3 to, that is option 1. Okay? So, click mo yung 1. Paano po mag-enter? 1 equals 1 equals 1 equals. Papaganon po ang pag-i-input. 3, negative 3, 1, 5, negative 3, 1. After that, mai-type mo, input the values, press AC. Pag na-press po yung AC, kita sa taas ng 4 yung matrix, so shift 4. Ang ibig sabihin po kasi ng shift 4, kapag nasa matrix ka, ano yung mga option kapag nasa matrix kang mode? So, ang kailangan natin ay determinant, so that is 7. So, kailangan mo yung determinant. So, mode 7 po yun. Okay? So, sorry. Shift 4, then 7. And then, lalabas na po yung det sa calcu. Kailangan mo malaman kung saan mo ba nalagay na matrix yan. Di ba tayo ay nasa matrix A? So, shift 4 ka lang po ulit. And then, mat A. So, that's option 3. Kung ang ginamit mo ay matrix B, edi sa mat B yung gagamitin mo. And so on. So, kapag ginawa ko po yun, determinant ng mat A, that is equal to 8. Kaya lang, may 1/2 pa tayo, di ba? So, that is 8. 1/2 times 8. So, 4 square units. Okay? So, ganun lang po. So, please copy. Okay guys, so let us solve another problem which is a bit harder. Okay? Find the area bounded by a line that passes through the origin and the point 2, 2. And the line x minus 3 equals 0 and the coordinate axis. Find the area bounded by a line that passes through the origin and the point 2, 2. And the line x minus 3 equals 0 and the coordinate axis. Pasensya na talaga kayo dun sa aso, ha? Okay? So, let's say, ito yung Cartesian plane ko. Meron daw linya na dumadaan sa origin tsaka sa point 2, 2. Okay? So, sabihin natin ito yung line natin. And then, meron pa tayong isang linya. Binigyan tayong x minus 3 equals 0. Di ba yan ay equals lang sa x equals to 3. So, 0, 1, 2, 3. Ang graph ng x equals 3 ay isa lang pong vertical line. Okay? So, this is x equals 3. Okay? So, as you can see, gawa ng ating coordinate axis, gawa ng ating x minus 3 equals 0, at gawa ng linyang to, may nabuong triangle. At kailangan nating malaman kung ano yung area ng triangle na yan. So, meron na tayong mga points. Meron tayong 0, 0. This is 3, 0. Kasi 0, 1, 2, 3. And then, hindi naman siya tumaas. Kaya yung y coordinate natin ay equals lamang po sa 0. Unfortunately, hindi pa po natin alam kung ano yung point na yan. Okay? Pero isang bagay na sure ako, yan ay x equals 3 kasi dito po tumama. Okay? So, 3y. Wala pa tayong y. Okay? So, paano natin malalaman yung value ng y? Kailangan muna nating malaman kung ano yung equation ng linya na yan. Di ba yung linya na yan ay dumadaan sa 0, 0, tsaka sa 2, 2. Okay? And then, pwede mong mahanap yung slope ng line na yan. So, m is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So, that is 2 minus 0 all over 2 minus 0. That is equal to 1. And then, gamitin mo lang yung point-intercept form or point-slope form. Di ba yun ay y minus y sub 1 equals mx minus x sub 1. So, that is y minus 0 equals 1, x minus 0 or simply y is equal to x. Meron na tayong equation ng linya na yan. Okay? And then, paano mo malalaman yung value ng y? What is x? 3. So, y is equal to 3. Kasi x is equal to 3. So, yung point pala ng intersection ng linyang ito tsaka ng linyang ito ay 0.33. Okay? And then, pwede mo nang makuha yung area natin ng triangle. Diba? That is 1 half x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, and yung last na column ay lahat ay 1 lamang po. Okay? So, simulan ko na lang dito sa 0, 0. So, 1 half, 0, 0, 1. And then, 3, 0, 1. And then, 3, 3, 1. And then, pwede mo na lang din pong gamitin si calculator mo sa pagkuha ng determinant ng matrix na ito. Kung gusto mo naman pong i-manual, ikakopy mo lang tong first column dito. Okay? Or gamitin mo yung general formula para safest. So, kapag ginawa ko yan, area is equal to 4.5 square units. Okay? So, as you can see, inanalyze muna natin bago tayo nakakuha ng points. Pwede mo din namang ang gawin mo, base times height. Still, kailangan mong malaman yung height na to. Okay? Okay? So, please copy.